Present continuous tense, common mistakes and smart fixes. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of English grammar, specifically focusing on the present continuous tense. One common mistake learners often make is misusing this tense when talking about future actions. Don't worry if this sounds complicated right now. We'll break it all down step by step. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions happening at the moment of speaking or current, ongoing actions. We form it using the subject, the verb, to be, in the correct form, am, is, are, and the verb of the action with ing added at the end. For example, I am watching a movie. However, the key point is that this tense is not generally used to talk about future plans or actions, and this is where most mistakes happen. Sometimes, English learners use the present continuous tense to discuss future actions, which can lead to confusion. For example, they might say, I am going to the park tomorrow, which sounds like the action is happening right now, not in the future. Remember, while the present continuous tense can be used to talk about the future in some contexts, it's usually more appropriate to use the simple present or the future simple tense. For example, I am going to the park tomorrow could be more correctly said as, I will go to the park tomorrow, or, I go to the park tomorrow. There are some exceptions where the present continuous tense can be used to indicate future actions. These are generally cases where the action is already planned or arranged. For example, I am meeting my friend tomorrow. Here, the present continuous tense is used because the meeting is already set or planned. So, the important thing to remember is to use the present continuous tense for future actions only when the action is certain and already arranged. We hope this video has clarified the often confusing topic of the present continuous tense, particularly in relation to future actions. Remember to only use the present continuous tense for future actions when they're certain and planned. Keep practicing, and soon this will all become second nature. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more English grammar insights in our upcoming videos.